Today, we are actually headed to Lake Stevens to Alice's house. Alice is the mother, Samantha's her daughter. She wants to downsize. She wants to move closer to her daughter and her sister. Her husband passed away a couple years ago. It's such a huge process anyways to sell a home, but then to sell a home with that amount of memories.
Yeah.
Every little ding in a wall, scratch on the millwork, everything is like a memory. It tells a story.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is nice. This is a 4-bedroom.
2.5 bath.
And it's a little under 2,000 square foot.
Yeah.
And it has a list price of $550,000. Hi.
I'm Leslie. How long have you lived here?
We're the original owners. We lived here 25 years.
Oh, okay. So this would have been like the formal?
I guess we
If
never
we
used it.
Okay, so something needs to be done. Definitely with all the colors.
This was my late husband's job. He
Oh, I
painted
love
this.
it.
For me to update it would be very hard.
Yeah.
Because I have to paint over what he did.
25 years of memories is a lot to move on from.
I would rather the house sell to another family.
Absolutely.
Who hopefully might live here another 25 years.
Yeah, I love that.
That makes total sense.
That makes it easier for my heart to give it up.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, this is great space.
the high ceilings and like this little catwalk.
Too bad it wasn't a real cow.
I was gonna say, how many times did the kids get on that?
None.
What?
I'm surprised.
Oh, I'm
You're
already
right.
thinking my kids would line up there. It would be with
plop.
toy guns, and this would be like a war zone.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
This is very tight here.
This is the thing that I love, Alice, and I'm just gonna say it because I feel like we're here now. She's already dance pantsed. You can put handles on cabinets that don't have handles. You put handles on these. Matter of fact, you put 2 sets of handles.
Yeah, we're trying out different handles.
Sometimes projects get started, but then they don't get finished.
Happens to the best of us.
So I assume this is where you guys like live.
Yes.
Such a 1990s fireplace.
Yes, it was.
It
Flip
is.
the switch, there's the fire.
What you can't see is the big hole behind the TV.
Yeah.
The big TVs that we
Oh
used to
my
have.
gosh, right?
Giant TV box.
Okay,
All right, let's
keep
see what else is
exploring.
going on.
Keep exploring? Okay. Then we was Samantha's room when she was young.
Wow. Oh, so a bedroom on the main floor. That's
Yes.
a bonus. Having a downstairs bedroom, it actually opens up our buyer pool and a small powder room in the hallway.
What's going on here?
That's how you know someone's in there.
Occupied. So I wouldn't call this a full privacy bathroom.
Yeah.
Having such a small space for a little powder bathroom, which is ultimately your guest bathroom. You know, it would be nice if we maybe do some updates to this bathroom.
Maybe
little
a
bit.
doorknob.
Yeah. Remind me to use the upstairs bathroom if I need to.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It locks.
Okay.
And here is the main bedroom.
Ooh.
Oh, another color. I truly do not know how many colors of paint were in that home.
Probably just around like maybe 8.
15. Definitely not 8.
I'd say 8 to
15.
12.
We have our typical 1990s no door on our bathroom. It's not horrible because at least the vanities
The
aren't.
vanity is so
big. Oh, wow, that's a nice sized closet.
Yeah. They almost built in a linen closet here.
Okay, that is wrong. I mean, this is huge, and then your shower's tiny. How do you shave your legs in here?
You don't.
You don't.
You can't put a
You
lid.
take a
no.
bath to shave your legs.
I just feel like, unfortunately, in these 90s homes, a lot of times, the space was there. They just didn't configure it right.
Right.
Okay, let's go downstairs and have a little chat.
Cool.
This is a typical cookie cutter home. This is when I think cookie cutter homes were created.
Yeah.
In the 90s.
The one thing this house has going for it that the others didn't in that time period,
Bedroom on
location.
main.
Oh,
Oh, well, 2 things.
2 things apparently. Lot size,
Yep, and bedroom on main. And it's not in a cookie cutter neighborhood.
that also is very nice.
So there's 3. Did you have anybody come through? What has been the feedback so far?
The other realtors were suggesting what we should do, paint and all of that. I don't think I can do it.
And you know what? Selling is more than just a transaction. It is emotional. Sometimes the way that we do this actually helps the disconnect.
Yeah.
Because it's not going to look like your
House
home.
anymore. Yeah. It's a way to have closure.
When people are emotionally attached to their homes, that's when I want to,
When you get emotionally attached to them.
hands down.
Yeah.
Alice is the reason I got into this business because I love helping people.
Yes.
After viewing the home, now we can go back and look for what else in the area would be comparable to it. What have the other homes sold for to really bring that top value, and then get back together and kind of, come up with a game plan.
Sounds like a good plan.
Okay.
So what we'd want to do to hit a high price point is going to be a complete revamp of your kitchen for starters. Our plan is to give it more sightline to the rest of the house. It's going to include knocking down part of the wall and that weird catwalk in the dining room. We need to modernize your main bathroom, and that's gonna mean slightly changing the footprint by devoting a little more room to the shower while still maintaining space for the nice soaking tub. Everything else is really gonna be paint, materials, millwork, lighting.
We're currently valued around $550,000. We would need to invest $120,000. We absolutely can push this price up. That would allow us to sell at $700,000.
Okay.
Once we get paid back our investment, that still leaves $30,000 that we would split $15,000 and $15,000.
That's exciting.
Yes.
It is the last nod towards my late husband.
Absolutely.
So it's nice to hope that a family or someone coming in that wants to start a family,
I think we're gonna put a lot of pressure on Lyndsay to give us that design that's really desirable, but also
She's got it.
broad.
I've got a handle on
You can handle this.
handle on it.
You can handle this project.
You know it.
That's right. That's right.
Owen and his crew are diving right into demolition, starting with totally demolishing Alice's kitchen and bathroom. So the first thing I wanted to accomplish, literally when I first walked through this door, was to figure out how to open it up more. We had like the arches and the different catwalks and the different architectural features throughout this house. We had to step back and really think about what is the square footage we have and how can we make it feel more open and more usable. The paint that was already existing in this house was definitely like a factor in the design choice. I really wanted to just simplify it, really go with one beautiful neutral color. So I picked up these really cool peel-and sticks.
Yeah.
I was gonna pick a wall color, but now I'm thinking after this, maybe we pick a wall color and then a color that goes well with it for our fireplace at the same time. So it kind of pops out a little with the texture and then a really beautiful color.
I like it.
I think that's a great idea. I feel good about our progress. I mean, we got the cabinets right now. Floors are in. Waterproof underlayment for that main bath is laid down. So we can get the tile in and start to create that spa-like retreat that we're going for. Ooh, I love these floors. Insane. Oh, those look so good. Oh,
In the
hey,
kitchen.
this looks amazing.
We just got our countertops.
Oh my gosh.
Last little piece.
And our cabinets.
Yeah.
Owen's here working today, and Lindsay's running an open house, so I told her I'd make the rounds. It's
huge.
so open because we took this
Yep.
down.
Used to be dropped in
Yep,
here
yep.
and peninsula it out.
Yep.
And then this used to be the closet.
Oh, that's right.
So this is all now new kitchen.
Okay, got it. Let's go look upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs they're jamming. Check out our,
Oh my gosh, our Q nosing.
yeah, check
Look
it out.
at this.
Here's a chunk of it right here.
Oh, wow. This stuff is literally the prettiest.
We're putting some nice stuff in here. Today is a big day. Trim's going in, tiles going in, hardware, even the new appliances are going in. I mean, it is just crazy here today. Nice job. It looks great.
Are you literally supervising me drilling?
No, I was being serious. I'm sorry.
Move it or lose it,
Move
sister.
it, sister.
We've made some major changes to this house, but replacing all those competing colors with one soothing shade of white is probably gonna be the biggest.
And speaking of big, getting up high on these tall ceilings is no easy feat. Upstairs, Owen is hanging the floating vanities in the main bathroom. And in the living room, the crew is removing the mantle and the TV nook so that we can have one flat, modern surface for our skip trowel project. Today, Owen, Justin, and the rest of the crew are doing all of the last-minute construction touches at Alice's house. A quick landscaping once over, sanding and painting that fireplace, and adding a new custom closet system to the main bedroom.
If I like it, I buy it. I want it, I got it. I need some curb appeal to get excited.
It is staging crunch time. We need all hands on deck.
I am so excited to show Alice and Samantha. Alice is such a sweet lady, and she's counting on this house being completely transformed to allow her to detach and move on.
And I feel so good about how we're gonna be able to make her a profit on this.
So excited. It's like waiting for Christmas Eve where you can't fall asleep.
Yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous.
Here they come. Are you ready?
Oh, so excited.
So, outside we didn't do much, just cleaned up the landscaping a little bit.
in great shape.
Yes, all of our focus was inside in that super colorful home.
Yes.
Did you take my colors away?
I'm not gonna say.
All right, you guys
Okay,
ready?
let's go.
I'm a little
No
scared.
peeking in the big window. It's fun to be surprised.
Okay. Oh, it's so pretty.
And the floors.
Look at these stairs. Oh, look at the stairs. I'm speechless. And that never happens for me. There's not much color. I would add color. I'm sorry. It's just
You're
so
fine.
shocking.
Do you remember the giant sky bridge?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's what's
gone.
missing. I'm like looking around, I could not figure it out.
Okay, let's keep going. So
Okay.
we have our big buffet here. We can use for coffee, or you can have when you're
Look at-
serving guests. And then your
Hey, I'm
kitchen.
gonna turn around.
Wow, that is so open.
This is completely different.
This
So
was
functional.
the little doorway.
That
we took
doorway.
down that wall.
Very, very nice. Oh. Look at this.
Putting the white on the wall, it makes it feel so bright and airy and open.
It feels like more than 2,000 square feet.
It does.
It sure does.
Go ahead.
Oh, so pretty.
That's amazing.
Look at that mirror. It's
Yeah, that mirror is so fun.
no peekaboo.
No peekaboo hole.
No peekaboo.
It's a bathroom you would be proud to have your guests
Yes, go
use.
do, yes. My main bedroom
Simple oasis bedroom.
looks huge in here. I love it. I love it.
We didn't change the square footage. There was a wall right here.
And the pocket door.
Without the pocket door, you don't need the wall.
You don't need the wall.
Exactly. This closet before had that little cutout.
Yes.
That was kind of a waste
That's
of space.
where you stole the-
That's right.
How do you feel now as far as
I
attachment?
feel better because
Okay,
it's
good.
not my house anymore.
Yeah.
It truly
And
is
that's
gonna
really
feel
good
easy.
because I've had closure.
You were trying to sell the house at $550,000. We did come in and put in $120,000.
It looks like you put in more than that.
We feel extremely confident listing at $700,000. We'll take back our $120, and there'll still be $30,000 for us to split $15,000 and $15,000.
Can't beat that.
Awesome.
So excited.
Oh, cute little family.
Hi, guys. Come buddy. Do you want a cookie? Oh, okay.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
I'm Lyndsay.
Nice to meet you. I'm Olivia.
This is our main living space right here.
The open space with the flow, it looks really nice. The texture looks really nice, and it pops out, but not too much.
Someone in a better mood now?
Hi, guys. We're calling because we got offers, $745,000 cash with no contingencies, closing in 10 days.
Wow.
We could not be more thrilled for you.
Speechless.
Oh, yay. And it's a young couple that wants to start a family there.
That is perfect.
The house was worth $550,000. We listed it at $700,000. We were able to sell it at $745,000. There's $75,000 left to split, so that's $37,500 each.
It's gonna go to a family who's gonna live there another 25 years.
Yes. And play in that backyard and all the things that your babies did.
Yep, they used my laundry baskets to slide down those stairs.
Oh, yeah.
I did too, and
That's how
I
Lyndsay
broke
cracked
my-
her head open.
No, broke
Broke
my
your
leg.
arm.